Welcome to Gears Canada, where your adventure is our mission. Our customer happiness team is eager to assist with product-related questions and can even help guide you to the perfect gear for your activity and budget. You can call or text us at 647-400-3081. Today, we're introducing the Trailerable ATV cover by Gears, designed specifically for riders who demand the best in-class protection and functionality for their ATV cover. Crafted from the highest quality 600 denier nylon, this cover offers unbeatable all-weather protection. The exterior is robust and weather-resistant, ensuring that rain, snow, dust, wind, and harsh UV rays won't harm your ATV. The interior is lined with a water-resistant PVC layer that keeps moisture at bay, ensuring your ATV remains dry. One of the standout features of this cover is the concealed windshield pocket. Lined with a soft material, it ensures your ATV's windshield and fairing are protected from scratches and scuffs. This pocket is designed to zip out when you need it and tuck away neatly when you don't, maintaining the sleek aesthetics of your ATV. For those who take their ATVs on the road, our cover is trailerable. It includes a separate 12-foot strap for extra security, ensuring that highway winds don't blow the cover off your ATV. Combined with a strong elastic hem, this cover offers a snug fit around your ATV's wheels, giving you peace of mind during transport. This cover has a universal fit and works best for large ATVs like the Rubicon Sportsman 600, 700 Grizzly, and many more. This size guide depicts just a few examples of compatible ATVs. When fully stretched over an ATV, the cover's dimensions are 240 centimeters in length by 160 centimeters across the front width by 120 centimeters in height. Durability is a given with Gears products. This ATV cover is built to last, suitable for year-round use whether you store your ATV indoors or outdoors. The fabric is durable and rip-resistant, making it a reliable shield against the elements in everyday wear and tear. The exceptional quality and durability of this ATV cover earned its stamp of approval from the Canadian Armed Forces, who purchased it for their entire fleet of ATVs. Remember, all Gears products come with an ironclad 1-year warranty, ensuring your peace of mind. So what are you waiting for? Add to cart and go seize your adventure.